Moving forward towards the method number 3, that is by using a translate method. So first we are going to import it from the library, that is we are going to import from the string. After that we are going to initialize our string and we are going to use a translate. So how we are going to use it, first we are going to create a table in which we are going to remove. So we are going to create a table in which we are going to say that what we need to remove and of what we need to be get removed it from where. So the make trans over here, it's going to create it, and we are going to remove any kind of a spaces or even a tab or even the new line in between all of the strings. So the table which you have passed over here, which is said to be the creating table according to that attribute, that is a string, and the spaces in between them, the first two uh, parameters are the different parameters, so that's why we are creating it as to the empty. They are different, like if you need to be go through that only that particular element, so that's why we have the first parameter, second parameter is for to go through and to the rewrite that element, that's why, and the third parameter is for removing or you need to go through the replacing any sort of, that's why we are going to use a third parameter for. After that, creating them, we are going to save it into the mkr variable, and after that we are going to use a translate method over here in which it's going to replace all of the spaces in between them which we have shown it into our make transition table over here, and it's going to remove those unwanted spaces in between of the strings and also the outside of the strings. After that we are going to store it into the string number 2 variable and we have them as an output.